We are at the DadaHub residency. This is day 3 of the UX UI design week, and we've had an eventful week. For the past 2 days, we've looked at things like user research, we've looked at low fidelity prototypes, and our goal here is to try and train female developers to become builders, founders. This is an innovation hub.
I'm so glad to be at the DadaHub residency. The first week we are mostly catching on the UI UX design, and as a software developer, I really think this session was what I needed. So far I've always built apps and websites, just building and not the design part, but this session taught me how to bring something to life step by step, and that's really something I really wanted to know.
For week 2, I cannot wait to build an application on Bitcoin. Finally, I have not built an application on Bitcoin before. Of course, I've been doing some open source and experimenting, but now it's really nice to see how I can bring a product on Bitcoin to life. So I'm really excited about that.
In my own words, I describe the DadaHub residency as a second home, the compound, the dining space. It's all so cozy, it's all so warm, and it's for female developers.
I'm looking forward to integrating the project that I've built this week into AI. I know AI is a big thing right now, and I'm hoping that it is not only responsive, but actually gets to the target audience so that I'm able to automate some of the things that I find very tedious and monotonous, and also to be able to showcase what 4 weeks of Dada residency can do to you.
We've come to the end of our week 1 of the DadaHub residency, and we've concluded the UX UI week, even if we have so much to learn still. Today we had Matthew from Bit Designers Africa, who took the girls through a plethora of things, including creating Figma components, creating high fidelity prototypes, and so much more. Literally every single person was able to design their own first component, and that was amazing to watch. It was such a joy to watch, and we're so excited to see what the girls build in the coming weeks. Week 2, we have Bitcoin enlightening applications. Week 3, we have integrating AI and using AI ethically. Week 4, we have PR and self-pitching. And we hope to see these girls become 360-degree builders, founders, not just developers, but designers, developers, founders, innovators. And this is the main aim of the DadaHub residency, an innovation hub that builds the next generation of innovators and talent. Thank you.